Welcome back to Lucianos Excavation, where teamwork on the field meets determination and grit. Today, we're picking up right where we left off, with our crew facing a challenging situation out on the site. After a slight miscalculation, our truck found itself stuck with its back too far to the right, sinking into the soft shoulder on the site. But as always, our team is ready to handle any curveballs thrown their way. The first step in our recovery process was to lighten the load. The crew worked diligently to remove most of the material from the dump body, making the truck easier to maneuver. With the load lightened, the team took an innovative approach, pushing the remaining material towards the front of the body. This strategic move helped nudge the truck forward, inching it away from the precarious edge. The breakthrough came when Fred pushed the dump trailer, giving the truck the leverage it needed to move under its own power. It's moments like these that highlight the expertise and quick thinking of our crew. With the truck now free from its precarious hold, the driver isn't entirely in the clear just yet. As he steers the massive vehicle back on solid ground, the question hangs in the air. Has this mishap sharpened his judgment, or is there still a twist in the tale? Our crew watches closely, their eyes tracking every move as the driver navigates through the busy site. The path ahead is fraught with challenges, but with the recent scare still fresh in the mind, the stakes are understood by all. Communication ramps up, with clear signals and guidance echoing over the rumble of the engines. It's a team effort to ensure the truck reaches its intended destination safely, without a repeat of earlier events. Tim wastes no time backing into the position he wants the trailer to dump. Operators use the blade of the machine as a reference point for drivers to back in and dump their load. After a few tense moments, success. The driver finally drops the rest of the load in the correct spot. With the task accomplished, he pulls forward, ready to return to the yard for another load. Before he leaves, there's one more task he takes upon himself. Understanding the risk firsthand, he doesn't head straight back. Instead, pulling alongside the other driver, giving them fair warning of the soft shoulder ahead. With the crisis averted, the site buzzes with activity. Trucks continue to bring in essential materials and transport out topsoil, destined for our Attleboro project. The flow of work, uninterrupted, speaks volumes of our capability to manage and adapt. At Lucianos Excavation, each day is a new opportunity to demonstrate our dedication and expertise. Stay tuned for more updates and remember to follow us for the latest on how we tackle big challenges and ensure success on every front. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more exciting content right here with Lucianos Excavation.